Hey everyone, this is Manjunath Jinukara again. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a snapshot from the disk. In this video, we are going to see how to create a disk from the snapshot. So we are not going to use the Powershell, we are not going to use the CLI, we are just going to use GUI, the portal to create a disk from the snapshot. So usually what happens whenever you are looking into the snapshot, there will be no option to create a disk from here. So it will be like export option and the delete option will be there. So what we can do is we can directly go to the VM first and then try to attach a disk. So remember the process. First we are going to use the VM to create a disk from the snapshot here in this method. First we will go to VM and then we will click on the disks and we are going to create a data disk from the snapshot and we will unattach it, so it will remain as a disk and we can either create a OS, it is a OS disk, or we can keep it as a data disk. This is the easiest method. So let's start it. We have to go to the option called add data disk here and then we have to select a create disk. Now it is going to ask few details here. First you have to give the disk details which you're going to create. So I'm going to use as XYZ. I guess it is already there. Then 1, yeah, and then resource group, location. Since it is already there in the EU2, so it is going to show me EU2 only, and we don't have any availability zone, and I'd like to go for the premium, so I'm converting the OS disk snapshot again into the disk, so that's why I'm trying to use the premium one. So condition here is whenever you're creating a disk from this snapshot, always it has to be more than the disk which it was converted into. For example, the OS disk which I have converted, initially it has 127 GB as in disk space. So right now the disk size will be, it has to be either 127 or it is more than 127. So it has to be more than the or equal to the old disk which you have already converted into. So now the resource, I'm going to use a snapshot and I'm going to get the details here. So let's say OS snap is my snapshot which I'm trying to convert it into and create it. So now it is going to create a disk and it will be attached as a data disk for this particular VM. So it might take a time. Now we can see here that data disk has been attached with the name of XYZ1. So now I don't want to use this as a data disk here, so I can just unattach it and then see the disks, okay, here in the all resources. So I'm trying to search that particular disk. Now we can see the disk here. It is XYZ1, which was not there before. Now you can create a VM from here, or again you can attach this disk to the other VMs. Thank you.